Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee with paper. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This prevents sticking. Finally, ensure your candy thermometer is ready, as precise temperature control is crucial for perfect toffee. Now, let's start cooking. Combine 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients constantly over medium heat until the mixture comes to a rolling boil. Continue cooking, stirring occasionally, until your candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage for toffee. Once your toffee reaches the correct temperature, carefully pour the hot mixture onto the prepared parchment paper. Work quickly to spread it evenly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/4 inch across the sheet. Allow the toffee to cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until it is firm and brittle. Finally, once the toffee is fully cooled and hardened, you can easily break it into delicious, irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store any leftover toffee in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.